Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from eBangaloreProperty.com, and this is independent building BLR 18 available for sale. Ground floor car parking and 1 BHK house. First floor 2 BHK, second floor 2 BHK, third floor 2 BHK. Very good option if you want to stay yourself and get rental income. Built on 22 by 41 site, 902 square feet. Well planned property. West facing site, north facing doors. This is ground floor 1 BHK, granite flooring, beautiful interior work has been done, 30 feet road is there in front. The property is located in Vidyaranyapura MS Palya area after Jalahalli Air Force Station. Own borewell is there and underground sanitary lines have been laid. DC converted land and BBMP B Khata for the site. So planned as per Vaastu, right in the southeast corner kitchen is there, modular kitchen. Granite platform, living with TV unit, common bathroom, bedroom with wardrobes. Individual units also planned as per Vaastu. Like this room is in the southwest corner. Large window towards the parking area allowing natural light. Right round setback space is left. Towards the north and eastern side. So washing machine can be kept here in the central space. All-in-one bathroom, shower, toilet, hand wash basin. So as you can see towards the eastern side and towards north side setback space is left. This is 3.5 feet passage. Pillar based construction. Residential locality. Totally 3,500 square feet super built up area. Black granite wall cladding has been done. So this is first floor 2 BHK. First floor, second floor, third floor all are identical. 2 BHK 3 units. One unit you can stay and rest of the units you can rent it out, or you can rent it out all building also, full building. So north facing entrance, living room with TV unit. Side window is there for ventilation. All three houses have same interiors. False ceiling work with LED lighting, 2 bedroom, 2 bathrooms, center living room, northeast corner side 1 room is there, center Pooja room is there, east and west facing, kitchen in the southeast, southwest corner master bedroom, attached bathroom is also there. So BLR series, BLR means buy, leave, rent. Multi-unit houses where owners can also stay themselves and get rental income. Many houses have been sold recently in this BLR series. BLR 1, BLR 5, BLR 8, BLR 11, BLR 9. Many options have been sold out in the last few months. So this is first bedroom with wardrobes. This is master bedroom with attached bathroom. There is also one common bathroom in the passage. Completely granite flooring. Elevation is also very beautiful. Developed locality. As I mentioned, DC converted land and B Khata site. West facing site, north facing door. 4 unit property, BLR 18. Bathroom fittings will be provided. PVC doors will be provided for the bathroom. Window shutters are teakwood. Honne frames. Main door is teakwood. Hi-Fi brand switches. ISO certified bathroom fittings will be provided. Above overhead tank is there and overhead tank right in the southwest corner as per Vaastu. Please read the description for complete details. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.